Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and here we are at day 19 of my Tag a Day November. For today's tag, I used this cute cacti stamp set from Whimsy Stamps. I also used the dies. When I looked, because this is an older stamp set, the dies were no longer available, but the stamp set is. It's just a fun, very versatile. You can make it cutesy or not cutesy and stuff. So, Cute Cacti by Whimsy Stamps. And then I used the Festive Desert paper that kind of goes with it. And then I used the Sunny Studio Build a Tag 1 dies. And there is my cute little cactus die or tag for today. I did add some glossy accents to the pot so it would look more shiny. I don't know if you can see that cute paper with the cactus on it, and then just added some details with the paper, just cardstock on the back, and then some ribbon that I love from Stamping Up. I'm sure it's well retired. Has a little bit of sparkle to it or shimmer. And so there is day 19 for my Tag a Day November. And I will be back tomorrow with day 20. And I hope you are having a wonderful day and go do something crafty. I'll see you soon.